What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to stay notified with what we got going on this channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate you guys, man. We're steadily growing in subscribers. But I need your guys' help, so hit that subscribe button. I have a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. The initial goal was 400, and we are 70 subscribers away from hitting 400 subscribers. So I appreciate everybody that's already hit that like button and already hit that subscribe button and continues to support me. Let's get into the shoes, you guys. We got a box. I already opened up the box, bro, but I want to review the shoe with you guys. Air Force One 07 Mid SP colorway fossil. When I first opened up the box, it was giving me like Heritage Jordan 1 vibes. So I had to really look at the box for really quick, and then once I seen it was like an off-white color, I was like, okay, never mind. But on the box, you got Stussy, Nike Air, Stussy. Open up the lid. And only quality control stamp I see is like one right here. Look at the paper. You got this black, grayish color paper. Kind of got some nice little design on it right there, and then underneath that you got your regular white paper. Inside the box you got your shoe. Let's pull the shoe out and let's just take a quick look at the shoe. I will, after this video, do it on foot. I'm not gonna do it on this video just due to the fact that I gotta go to work in like 20 minutes. But bow. Air Force One Stussy 07 Mid SP. Fossil. So you got fossil on the sole, got fossil on the mid, fossil on the Nike sign, fossil on the laces. Great shoe. Let's go around it. It's a canvas material. You see the Nike sign is stitched in, and if you come down and you look at the strap, it also is stitched saying Stussy. Look at the back. This material is a little bit different right here on the heel, but you definitely got that Stussy little button with the two S's. Clean shoe, super clean shoe. I actually like this shoe better than the black and white pair. There's kind of that black and white pair is just like everybody's trying to do panda this, panda that. I don't even have a pair of pandas, and I wouldn't get an Air Force One mid that kind of resembled a panda. It just doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, I like this shoe the best out of all the colorways. I'm really on like the neutral color tones right now, and so that's why I picked this up. Toe box. You got the two S's on the toe box. Super duper clean. I like the slight details on this shoe because it's a very simple shoe. Very simple shoe. So when you get very nice details on a simple shoe, it makes it very wearable. Looking at the tongue, and my camera's about to die. Let me plug it in. Ooh. Looking at the tongue, it says Stussy on it. Got the Nike sign, and I think it says New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, right? This is my second Air Force One mid. I don't wear a lot of Air Forces. I think I only have 3 pairs of Air Forces, so this is my third pair. Same thing with the other shoe. No quality control problems. It's a clean shoe. The shoe does come with extra laces. Now this lace matches like the body of this shoe, right? Same color. but the laces that it comes in actually match the sole of the shoe. So you got two different laces. Let's look on the inside of the shoe. You can see the insole. It's just the same color, fossil, with Nike written in white. Clean shoe. Clean shoe. Like I said, man, I'm going to be doing it on foot for this shoe and a couple other shoes that I haven't done on foot looks for already. But I need you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. You know what I'm saying? Clean, super clean shoe. Like I said, I don't have a lot of mid Air Force Ones. This is the only other mid Air Force One I have, and it is the Victor Cruz in that nice tan khaki color. Suede, beautiful suede. Beautiful suede. And nice, beautiful leather on the back of the shoe. But we're not here to talk about this shoe. But this kind of just gives you an idea, like, only got two mids. I don't really do the mid thing, but this shoe is super duper clean. And I think it's going to be super wearable. You guys get down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this shoe. Did you go for this shoe? Was this an easy pass for you? Or did you go for the black and white colorway? You guys let me know. Get down in the comments. This is a solid pickup. I don't know what these are going for on the aftermarket, but I don't see these going for like a crazy price. So if you're looking for like a great neutral tone shoe, this will do it. I give this shoe like a, you know, like a 3 out of 5. It's just, it's very simple, it's very clean, and it's very wearable. Materials are simple. There's no leather on it, but it's a clean shoe, man. Anyways, I'm just rambling on, you guys. I appreciate you guys for coming and rocking with me for a couple minutes. I hate to waste your time, so I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your boy Burt Collins, man. I've already tapped in with you guys. Now I'm tapping out. Peace. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.